Greetings. 2013 Toyota Sienna limited all-wheel drive. So we just got this car a couple weeks back. This car has been making that dreaded whining noise when you drive it. It's like the sound of an airplane following you. Low speeds, high speeds, that noise is always there. So to make it very short, it was the bearing inside that coupler. So where the propeller shaft meets the rear differential, there is the coupler, and inside the coupler there is a bearing. So we got it changed. The noise is gone, and what I've noticed that the previous owner changed the propeller shaft, thinking that'll solve the problem and the whining noise. However, it didn't go away. But I narrowed it down to the coupler, took it to my trusted transmission guy, and he fixed it for me. It cost me about, let's say, $850 to do the oil, differential oil, and also the bearing inside the coupler. So now the van drives like new, and the whining noise is gone. Some people might mistake that noise and think that it is from the rear bearings, but it's not, because if you swerve the car left and right, the bearing noise should diminish or increase. But in this case, the whining noise is from the coupler, and it's always there. Some people might just not notice it, but for me it's very much noticeable, so I got it fixed. So hopefully this will work well for the next few years on this van. Otherwise, this van is an amazing van. Everything about it is great except for that weak point. So got it fixed. Hopefully that will help you find or diagnose your problem and get it fixed. I've noticed that the same coupler issue happens on the RAV4s, on the Venzas, on the Matrix. Many cars that Toyota made with all-wheel drive had that faulty bearing inside the coupler, which dust and grime, road salt, rain, snow goes in, destroys that bearing, and then it becomes really noisy. So hopefully that'll help someone out there. Thank you very much, and enjoy your day.